world, you know, because I saw the things set in it. So, well, today is the 26th of September 2009, and now we are going to go up on the place what we call Rev Claudius Henry Ground. Alright, you ready now, Bad Bigs? Alright, yeah, good day. We have to say respect to the world, you know, and we have to make the world know and see everything what them never see before. Today is the 26th of September 2009, when we have the place what we call the Ethiopian Peacemaker place, right? Rev Claudius Henry place. Well, today we are going to introduce to you a big man. We are walk with them man for how much years. Brother Kiddy, respect to you. Yes, man.
Yes, sir.
Well, today we are talking about this program about Reverend Henry, and you are going to take me on the tour. So, man,
yes, sir.
So, I would like you to take me onto the tour now up on the building and say a few things.
We are now entering the International Peacemakers Association, wherein the founder and builder is the Reverend Claudius Henry, a man who we love and respect, and we intend to continue his work here on earth. And the time has come where we are intended to let the world know what we are doing and what we intend to do. So I think we will be doing something, showing something that the troubled nations of the world will see and know that there is hope in what we are doing. And today we are happy to have our camera piece with us and our young lad with us to give us good guidance, because God said, "Young man, I write unto you because you are strong." And thanks be to God, we have a young man said today. Happy to say. And now we are moving on to oversee all the activity that is being done, from me to other elders and the compound. So we are moving on.
Okay, so there you have it. So we have it from the first brother. Now we are going to take the trad to go up on the ground to see what really happened over there, because as a youth, I grew up a little time over there too, so I know certain activity we used to go on. So come on, let's go, Bad Bigs. Come on, peacemaker thing, let's go.
We are now entering to the shrine where Mistress and Mr. Claudius Henry's bodies being laid. And from there we'll be going to the bakery, shop, house, healing balm house, and right around up to the school room, and to cover everything to show the world the good work that he have done. And we are now here to continue it onward.
So where are we going to start? Where we're starting from?
We are now starting at the shrine.
Okay, so let's go to the shrine. Yeah, so as the world can see now, we're at a spot where Brother Kiddy going to continue to tell with the journey about this place. Brother Kiddy, tell me about a little bit about this place, because it looks so beautiful.
Yes, so we are now at the spot, and we are about to let the cameraman go through and see the proceedings and to see the great work that is being done. And we are here to support and to maintain the cause. And we are here to give peace, unity, and strength. The things that is happening around the world today is only peace, my friend, can put a stop to it. All the various killing and crimes and gun crimes is only God's righteous kingdom is going to make amend of the mess of this world. Of all the churches today, none of them can bring sanity to the world. It's only God's kingdom is the only thing that can solve the problem of this world. And see, we are here at the spot where it is being originated. Come one, come all. When the time comes, we are open to you all. So we are getting ready now to move around from here, and the viewers will see what we have done and what we can do.
Okay, so come on, let's go to the front part. We're going to run to the next part where we can go inside now, where we can get to see things that me never see before, somehow I never see before too. But come, let's go. Yes, so Brother Kiddy, where you said this is the exit to go inside?
Yes,
of this place,
yes. I know we are about to enter in to give the viewers all the privilege to see what is there and how it look like. So we are now entering.
Okay, all right, come Merle and come look. Yes, so now to the world, because you know we care for the world, right? And we want the world to see what them never see before. So now to the world, we're at the spot. So come on, let's go and see more deeper into the spot.
Yes, we are now entering, and we're giving the viewers all the necessary views to see the history that is being created here by the Reverend Claudius Henry and Mistress Edna Henry. And today we have all privilege, and we'd like each and everyone to see This side is the side where Mr. Claudius Henry is being buried.
Yeah.
And the next side will be the side of the Reverend Claudius Henry.
Yes, so as far as my eyes can see, it's like a more than one spot, you know. So, Brother Kiddy, tell me a little bit more about these two spots that I see.
Well, the first spot that we camera view a while ago, that is the place where Mrs. Claudius Henry is being laid from 1970 March till now. And the Reverend Claudius Henry, a couple of years after, he was being laid beside her.
Okay.
And he's 23 years today, the 26th of September, since he was passed on.
Okay.
And the all is together, and we continue to keep the good works on, keep it clean, keep it decent, because what they have sown, we cannot pay, the world cannot pay them for what they have done. So up to this moment, we are delighted to let the world see and know that their dreams is not a fake.
Yes.
It's a dreams of reality to bring the nation to some consciousness.
Yes.
Because the world we are living in, we are fed up. The man with his money is concerned.
Yes.
The poor is worse concerned because violence taking over, and we want to get rid of violence. So we have to show what we have to really combat the violence. The army cannot do it. The police force can't do it. All the boasting around cannot do it. It's only God.
Okay.
Is the only hope of mankind today.
Okay.
So this is what we have to offer, and it will be soon catch the fever of the world,
Yes.
because the world is in panic, needing and wishing for a better life.
Yes.
And we have it, we possess it, because He leave it here and it is living in us. Because true man is God, then great work will have to going to be done on earth.
Okay. So there you have it. So we at the spot and we're moving from the spot, and we have plenty more places to go. We have bakery, we have shop, we have many things. So come on, let's go to the next spot. Come on, let's go. Yes. So now we at a next spot, but this spot now is a crusher, a stone crusher. You know, in those times when nobody never had no stone crusher, one was right here. You know. So, Brother Kiddy, tell me a little bit about this machine that we're looking on right now.
Well, this machine that we are looking at now, we are at this spot, we are videoing it. This machine is from 1970.
1970.
And all the building that our viewers will be expect to see on our screen, this machine has crushed all the stones.
Yeah.
Be all these building.
So, what was the thing that run this machine?
We did have a motor, a engine,
Yeah.
and fan belt and the crushing machine. We crush the stone. But as time goes by, it wear out.
Okay.
And by wearing out, it cannot do the work anymore. So we have to do away with it. And in further days to come, we have to get different type of machine.
Oh,
Carry on
okay. Yes, I see.
Yeah.
Oh. So this not in use, as me can see right now. It is not in use, right? But I can see that it used to do plenty work, because I see more than 10 building on the premises. And you tell me, said this machine is the machine who crush all of the stone and for build them thing. Eh?
Oh yes, oh yes.
I'm get to understand. So you used to build tile and them thing. So this machine used to do.
Crush the stone to make the tile.
Okay.
And crush the stone to make concrete, to mix concrete with sand and cement, to do all the building that is on the property. And we sell thousands of yards of stone of the same machine. And those of who used to do the work is we the brethren.
Okay. And excuse me, if you make the viewer outside who gonna see this and watch it, to make them get it more clearer, give them back again how much years you say this machine there from?
We have this machine from 1970. And we work it until it becomes useless.
Okay.
So we get rid of the old things them of the property with the expectation to get into
some new thing.
new things.
Okay.
So this is what the whole foundation is look like unto.
Okay.
So right amongst now we are getting ready to show viewers more things that the machine have done.
Okay.
And all the blocks that build the premises is we the brethren use our hand machine and build all these blocks. So we have done mighty works here through the name of the Rev Reverend Claudius.
So, Brother Kiddy, you want to tell me, say, Uno really make all of the black people, all of these places. We have many places where the viewer don't see yet, you know, where we are gonna go figure look pan, you know, where even the big house, the big kingdom. First me I see that, the better first me I see that, and I can't believe say Uno is the person who build the black them and turn around and build the building to. Anyway, we're gonna move on because we have a lot of things to talk about today, and we have many more brothers to talk to.
Up to Bob Marley himself come here and buy black and buy crushed stone to build up down Scott Pass.
Okay, all right, Brother Kiddy, you know we are got a day for the whole day because we're live from TVJ and we are work with you today for the whole day. So what really happened is like we're gonna move off from the spot here and go to our next spot. So I think where this we are go to the shop.
Yes, we're going to visit the shop.
Yeah.
And then we leave and we go into the schoolroom.
Yeah.
And from there we take it to Thompson building.
Yes.
And you the viewers can see the manual machines that we use to generate current when we don't have the public service.
Okay. Well, all right, Brother Kiddy. Everybody feel happy and all right because me know them enjoy the show because this is a thing when enough people never know about, right? And plenty who know about it already. Know the whole 100 and know how strong and how powerful this place is. So come on, Bad Bigs, let's go, boy. We're going on to a more tour. Let's go. Yes, so as you can see, we give you the front view of the shop. Now we're going inside of it. Brother Kiddy, come on, you know you are with tour machine, right? So you have a tour with me for the whole day.
Yes, sir.
So all right, let's go. Yes, again to you viewers out there who always want to see the righteous thing and the righteous way of life. Well, today again, it's like we and Brother Kiddy, we're there upon the tour same way, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the shop now because now we're inside of the shop. So Brother Kiddy, may I step across to you again to tell me a little bit about the shop?
Well, the shop was originated in 1972. And from then, we operate a lot of business. We used to have 5 people inside here doing business, sell bread, sell everything, bag juice, orange juice, you name them. I was the first butcher that started to butcher cows here. And we have a cold storage where we kill 5-6 cow a week, 6 cows per week. And we never have hand to sell it. You have people from Kingston who have meat shop and restaurant come along here, come buy hundreds of pounds of beef and go back home. We sell pigs, turkey, everything, and having 5 people working in here weekly. We Reverend has to pay everybody a big pay bill. And people from St. Elizabeth every Sunday, when you look Sunday morning, this place ram with people from St. Elizabeth come to buy them bread. Those who carry goat and pigs go to Marcus Pen after them sell and going in back, them stop by and then buy bread, drinks, everything. So this shop, we are getting ready to put it back in operation. And we know we're going to cover a lot of grounds now because we expect to sell feed and all wholesale product here, so that the people in the community will have much more ease to get their goods to put in their shop. And we prepare to sell them at a reasonable rate so that we can develop back the community at its once before when the Reverend Claudius was here. So happily today we expect to let the viewers see and know what is our good intention, and we expect the viewers' support as we go.